Good morning. We will continue the yesterday's exercise. Today we will finish that exercise. Now we are doing 4 marker questions. We did one sum. Find the range between. Same type sum. Prove that 1 by 3x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. It is asked to prove that 1 by 3x plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 does not lie between 1 and 4. Does not lie between 1 and 4 if x is real. If x is real. Follow the same procedure, let it be equal to y. So what I want to say is, let this be equal to y. Given expression equal to some y. Now take the LCM and then cross multiplication, same procedure. Simple to get 4 marker if you understand properly. LCM of these two is 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. Now this is 3x plus 1 is there, we want x plus 1. Plus x plus 1 is there, we want 3x plus 1. Minus of 1 here, because here both are there. Now, you can simplify this. 3x plus x, 4x, and plus 1 minus 1 cancels, becomes 4x plus 1 by this 3x square plus 3x plus 1x, 4x plus 1, y equal. Now, old procedure, cross multiplying. So what you get? Y into this, y into 3x square, 3 by x square, y into 4x, 4yx plus y equal to, we are getting 4x plus 1. Here nothing is there, this 1 is there. So 1 into 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1. Now bringing all to one side and converting the coordinate in x. So 3 by x square plus 4 by x plus 5 and plus 4x comes inside minus 4x plus 1 comes inside minus 1 equal to left out is 0. Now I can take x common from these two and these two I can join together as constants. So the equation becomes, now this is a quadratic in x. Observe 3 by x square. And if you take x common from these two, if you want 4 also, so 4x into, I'm taking 4x common from these two, this is y minus 1 left out. Next, y minus 1 as this, constants, equal to 0. Now if you observe, this is ax square plus bx plus c, means a equal to 3 by b equal to 4 into y minus 1, c equal to y minus 1. Now, from this, since x is real, we know that b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Giving x is real, prove that this whole expression y does not lie between some two values. Those you will get. So, since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. What is b square here? 4 into y minus 1 whole square. That is 16 into y minus 1 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into 3y into y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. 4 into 3y into y minus 1, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now to simplify this, instead of expanding, if you observe these two, y minus 1 is common and 4 is common from both. So I will take 4 into y minus 1 common from all. So here left out is 1 more 4 and y minus 1. 4 into y minus 1 left out here. And here 4 y minus 1 to common, left out is 3 by. Left out is 3 by, less than, greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Now This 4 anyhow greater than or equal to 0. Only thing is this part should be greater than or equal to 0. Means if I simplify this part, what I get? Y minus 1 into this is 4y minus 4 minus 3y is nothing but 4y minus 3y is y. So y minus 4. So implies y minus 1 into y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. So when x minus 8, x minus b greater than or equal to 0 implies x does not lie between a and b, we already learned. So this is y minus 1 into y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0 means y does not lie between 1 and 4. This is what we is asking to prove. So x minus 8, x minus b greater than or equal to 0 means x does not lie between a and b. Implies y minus 1 into y minus 4 greater than or equal to 0 means y does not lie between 1 and 4. That is what is asking to prove. Hence proved. Next sum also same type. See what is asking. If x is real, prove that x lie between x by. If x is real, prove that x divided by x square minus 5x plus 9. X square minus 5x plus 9 lie between 1 and minus 1 by 4. Lie between 1 and minus 1 by 11. He is asking to prove lie between, means we need to get less than or equal to 0. X minus 8, x minus b less than or equal to 0 we will get, because asking to prove lie between. Previously does not lie. That is only the difference. Now I will take always let this be equal to y. So by cross multiplication what do I get? Yx square minus 5yx plus 9y plus 9y equal to left out simply x. Now bring that plus x to this side, becomes minus x. So what will it becomes? Yx square minus 5yx minus x plus 9y equal to 0. Now I will take x common from these two. So yx square minus x into 5y plus 1. Take minus x common, left out is 5y plus 1 plus 9y equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic in x. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is a, this is b, this is, since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Here this is a, this is b, this is c. Since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0 implies here b square is 5y plus 1 whole square, minus square is plus 1. So 5y plus 1 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into y into 9y. 4 into y into 9y greater than or equal to 0. 4 into y into 9y greater than or equal to 0. Now we will simplify this part. So what do we get? So by simplifying this is a plus b whole square. So a square is 25y square plus b square 1 plus 2ab, 2 5s are 10y minus 4 9 are 36y square. 4 9 are 36y square is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Now if you observe, this is 25y square minus 36y square becomes minus 11y square. Minus 11y square plus 10y plus 10y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Now I want to make it as positive, means I want to multiply with minus. Automatically inequality will change it over. When I multiply with minus, inequality will change. So this minus 11 by square becomes plus 11 by square, minus 10 by minus 1, because I am multiplying with minus on both sides, negative. So this is 0. So this greater than becomes less than or equal to. Whenever I am multiplying with minus, inequality will change. For example, minus 3 greater than minus 4. But when I multiply with minus, 3 is less than or equal to 4, isn't it? When you are going on left hand side, value will be decreasing. So negative side value will be decreasing. So negative side it will be like this. When you are going on right hand side, means positive side, value will be increasing. So automatically reverse. So when I multiply with minus, inequality will change. So this becomes 11 by square minus 10 by minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term. 11 banja. 11 minus 1 is 10. So I can write 11 by square minus 10 by minus 11 by plus 5. Usually minus 10 by only. So this minus 10 by I am splitting like minus 11 by plus 1 by minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. From these two I can take 11 by common. From these two I can take 11 by common. Left out is 1 more by minus 1. And from these two I can take 1 common, that is y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. Now this becomes y minus 1 into 11 by plus 1 less than or equal to 0. Means I am getting x minus a into x minus b less than 0. Means x lie between a and b only. If greater than 0, x does not lie between a and b. If less than 0, x lie between a and b. So implies y lie between minus 1 by 11 and 1. You can write like this also. Y lie between means belongs to minus 1 by 11 comma 1. Here is equal to means includes. So I am keeping closed brackets. We already discussed in the first year about the closed brackets and open brackets. So lie between minus 1 by 11 and 1. So you can write in bars or you can represent like this. Y belongs to minus 1 by 11 to 1. Open closed brackets. Closed brackets means those also include, because equal to is there. If equal to not there, you have to exclude them. You have to keep the open brackets. Here is equal to is there, so you have to keep the closed brackets. Next one, same type. Small difference. If the expression x minus p by x square minus 3x plus 2, x square minus 3x plus 2, if the expression x minus p by x square minus 3x plus 2 is real for every x belongs to R, himself saying is real for every x belongs to R. Is real for every x belongs to R, then find the limits of p. He is saying this expression is real for every real value of x. See the meaning. This whole expression is real, means y is real for every x belongs to R. Y is real, x is also real, he is saying. Then find the limits of p. Procedure is same, we will follow. First x is real, we know. So using that, we will go for that. Then we will use y is real. Now, coming to here, same, let this be equal to y. Cross multiply. So, yx square minus 3yx minus 3yx plus 2y equal to x minus p without. Now bringing r to one side and converting into quadratic equation, yx square minus 3yx minus x plus 2y plus p equal to 0. I am bringing plus x is setting in minus x. minus p to this side plus p. Now from these two I can take x common, then it becomes a quadratic equation. So yx square minus x into 3y plus 1 minus x into 3y plus 1 plus 2y plus p plus 2y plus p equal to 0 plus 2y plus p equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now since x is real, we say x is real as well as this whole y is real. So first of all, since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. What is a here? A is y and b is minus of 3y plus 1 and c is 2y plus 2. Now since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0 means this square 3y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into y into 2y plus p greater than or equal to 0. Means 3y plus 1 whole square minus y is plus only minus 4ac 4 into y into c is 2y plus p 2y plus p greater than or equal to 0. Since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now simplifying this, what you will get? Simplifying this, what you will get? We are going to observe. Now how to simplify a plus b whole square on this? So a square plus b square plus 2ab 2 3 is 6y minus 8y square minus 4yp minus 4yp greater than or equal to 0. 9y square minus 8y square becomes y square. Now here there is p. If we take y common or 2y common from both, so if I take 2y common, what happens? Here 1 more 3 will be left out and here minus 2p is left out. Plus constant 1 greater than or equal to 0. This one greater than or equal to 0. Now this equation I cannot factorize because there is something. What this only is saying, y is here. One more point what he is saying is y is also real. Here y is real. Observe, y is real. Y square quotient a is greater than 0 and whole expression is greater than 0. Means a and f of y are having the same sign. When is it possible? If roots are non-real, b square minus 4ac less than 0. In sign deciding about the sign of the expression, we discussed 3 points. There the first point is b square minus 4ac less than 0, then expression a will have the same sign for every x belongs to R. Same here. For every y belongs to R, he said expression and a expression is greater than 0. A is also 1 is greater than 0. Same sign. Means b square minus 4ac less than 0 only. That is what you have to do. Since expression or f of y comma a are having the same sign. Same sign for every y belongs to R. Same sign for every y belongs to R. If and only if b square minus 4ac less than 0. If and only if b square minus 4ac less than 0. Implies what is b square here? A is 1, b is 2 into 3 minus 2p, c is 1. b square minus 4ac less than 0. If I want, I can take 4 common. 4 is anyhow not less than 0, so this part must be less than 0. Becomes 3 minus 2p whole square minus 1 less than 0. Less than 0. There is no is equal to observe because it is only less than 0. Implies. Now, a minus b whole square formula. A square plus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. You can bring 1 to this side and you can simplify, but you can't understand that, I know. So, you will go for this. So, b a square plus b square minus 2ab. 2 is 6. 6 2 is 12p minus 1 less than 0. 6 9 plus 4p square plus a square plus b square minus 2ab, and remaining part as it is I am writing here. 4 I am taking common. Anyhow 4 is greater than 0, it cannot be less than 0, so remaining part must be less than 0, so I wrote like that. You can assume 4 is bringing on to that side 0 by 0, anyhow you will assume that your choice of assuming. You can't assume like that actually. This is the concept. Let it be. Now simplify this. This becomes now this is 4p square minus 12p and 9 minus 1 is 8 plus 8 less than 0 plus 8 less than 0. Now again you can take 4 common observe. So I am taking 4 common. 4 into p square minus 3p plus 2 less than 0. Now 4 anyhow not less than 0, this part must be less than 0. So I will simplify at a time, splitting the middle down, 2 1 here. So minus 2p minus 1p plus 2 less than 0. Implies I can factorize like p minus 2 into p minus 1. So this part now I can factorize. Take p common, p minus 2 and minus 1 common, p minus 2 less than 0 is nothing but p minus 2 into, if I take p minus 2 common, p minus 1 less than 0. P minus 2 into p minus 1 less than 0 means p lie between 1 and 2. P lie between 1 and 2. Implies p belongs to, here observe, equal to not there means open brackets 1 comma 2. Lie between 1 and 2 but not including 1 and 2. But not including because there is no is equal to. Previously we kept closed brackets because they are included. Minus 1 by 11 comma 1. But here not included 1 comma 2 not included. So open brackets 1 comma 2. Or you can represent like this also. 1 less than 2 less than 2. Because 3 like between 1 and 2. So like this you can simplify. Since y is real is, and for every real we are having expression and f of y having the same sign. That's why I am taking b square minus 4ac less than 0. So using that concept, if I simplify, I got p lie between 1 and 2. P lie between 1 and 2. And one more sum of the same kind we will do, then we will close this session. Now, find the range of x square plus 14x plus 9 by find the range of x square plus 14x plus 9 divided by x square plus 14x plus 9 divided by x square plus 2x plus 3. X square plus 2x plus 3. Both are quadratic. Same procedure does not change. X square plus 14x plus 9 by x square plus 2x plus 3 for every x belongs to R. Here he is asking find the maximum value of this function. Here he is asking to find the maximum value of the function. Means we will find the range. We will take the upper limit. That's it. Upper limit of the range becomes the maximum value always. So we will find the range. Automatically upper limit gives you the maximum value. That's it. He just confusing. He is asking maximum value means he is asking upper limit. That's it. So let y equal to, he is giving x square plus 14. So let y equal to this much as usually. Now cross multiply. What I am saying? Cross multiply becomes yx square plus 2yx plus 3y equal to x square plus 14x plus 9. As well, bring all to one side and simplify, convert it to a quadratic equation. So yx square minus x square plus 2yx minus 14x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. I am bringing x square to this side minus x square plus 14x to this side minus 14x plus 9 to this side minus 9. Now x square common becomes y minus 1 plus 2x common becomes y minus 7 plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic in x. Since x is really saying b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Same procedure does not change. Since x is real, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. What is b square here? This is 2 into y minus 7 whole square. Means 4 into y minus 7 whole square. Minus 4ac. 4 into a is y minus 1. Into c is 3y minus 9. Greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Now we can take 4 common from both. 4 common from both. Then, like the previous one, 4 anyhow greater than 0. So remaining part must be greater than 0. So what is that? Y minus 7 whole square. I want to expand directly. Y minus 7 whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 4 I am taking common. Forget about 4. So y square plus 7 square minus 7 to the 14y. Now expand this. Y into 3y minus 3y square minus 3y square. Again minus to minus plus 9y plus 9y. Next minus into minus plus 3y. Again minus to minus plus into minus minus 9. Greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Now y square minus 3y square means minus 2y square. Y square minus 3y square minus 2y square. Next minus 14y plus 9y plus 3y. 9 plus 3 12. Minus 14 plus 12. Minus 14 plus 12 means minus 2y. Minus 2y. Next coming about the constant. 49 minus 9. So 40 plus 40. Greater than or equal to 0. Now from all this I will take minus 2 common. Minus 2 common becomes y square. Y square minus, so plus 5. This is minus 20 greater than or equal to 0. Now if I take minus 2 common and I am dividing with minus 2, inequality will change. So becomes y square plus y minus 20 less than or equal to 0. I am dividing with 2, but minus 2 I want to divide because here minus 2 is there. So when I am doing with minus, inequality will change. So remaining part is 0. So y square plus y minus 20 less than or equal to 0. Now what to do? Factorize, splitting them into them. 4 5 yeah. So y square plus 5y minus 4y. This 1y I am writing it as plus 5y minus 4y minus 20 less than or equal to 0. Minus 20 less than or equal to 0. Now what can we do? Factorize. Because already splitting them and down I did. Just simplify it and find the values. So this is y common becomes y plus 5 and minus 4 common becomes y plus 5 less than or equal to 0. Implies y minus 4 into y plus 5 less than or equal to 0. Y minus 4 into y plus 5 less than or equal to 0. Means x minus a into x minus b less than 0 implies x lie between a and b, we already did, and equal to is there including these two also. Means y belongs to minus 5 to 4. Close the brackets because including them. Minus 5 to 4. So, what can be the maximum value of x? 4. Okay. Finally, this is y value. Y means whole expression. Y means whole expression. So, whole expression maximum value is 4. Minimum value is minus 5. So, sum is same, just is asking this value. So, therefore, maximum value of y equal to maximum value of y equal to 4. Maximum value of y is equal to 4. Like this, we will solve all these 4 mark sums. So, by this we will finish this. From this chapter, you will get 1 2 marker and 1 4 marker. Okay. And some inequalities are there. Actually, those are deleted for this IPE. We will discuss at the objective. At the time of objective, we will discuss inequalities. Presently, these are enough for 4 marks. So that we can end this session.